Folks, some light rain and drizzle around much of the day today. Some places getting rained on, some places not. And now some really light stuff out there, but not a whole lot on the radar. We push it back a little. There's a bunch of rain down to the south of us, and that's kind of sneaking its way into the coastline, and some of that will sneak into the valley later tonight, early tomorrow. Got that rain chance with us for really a couple more days, but I think the best chance looks like tonight and tomorrow, and then spotty stuff around again on Sunday. Here's Future Track, and notice, so you see that stuff coming up from the south. This is 11 o'clock, and it's just spotty activity. So like some of the football games will get rained on tonight, some won't, but if you get rained on, it's just that mist that kind of persists for a couple of hours. Get into Saturday, tomorrow afternoon, and you look at, again, spotty showers. Temperatures begin to warm up tomorrow, but the clouds don't thin out. I think tomorrow's still a thick, overcast day. Now you get to Sunday, maybe some breaks in the clouds by Sunday afternoon. So with that, temperatures will warm up a little more, but still spotty showers a possibility even on Sunday. We go 40% tonight into tomorrow, 30% for Sunday, and then Monday still a 20% chance for some rain around the area. So we're kind of waning away from the rain, but it's not gone completely. These are your current temperatures. 70s in the eastern part of the valley. It certainly has warmed up in Cameron and Willacy counties, but it's not warmed up as much in Hidalgo and Starr counties. Temperatures there in the 60s, and lows tonight for the most part will be in the 60s valley-wide with that drizzle sticking around. As we head into tomorrow, you start to see the warm up valley-wide. Still not back up to normal, but back into the 70s. 73 in the west to 78 at the coast, but still clouds and still spotty showers around. Normal high this time of year is in the low 80s. We'll go 77, 84, 81. A weak front sneaks through Sunday night, Monday. That's why we take Monday down a couple degrees, but that front doesn't amount to very much, especially not after this last one. The rest of Texas, we're all about the same today, temperature-wise. For the most part, 60s, a couple of cooler spots. Abilene 52, Odessa at 56, Dallas is 58, but a lot of the state in the 60s tonight. Satellite shows a lot of clouds over the state, and Future Track says they're going to stick around. There's a weak dying front that just fades away offshore, so we stay cloudy tonight with that spotty light rain and drizzle around. Tomorrow all day, Sunday all day, still a lot of clouds. This front doesn't amount to much, and it technically goes through, but it still keeps clouds and a couple of showers around on Monday. That front washes out, and by Tuesday, warm air starts to build back in. And once we start to warm up, we start to warm up big time. But the second half of next week, probably well up into the 80s. There is some cold weather on the map tonight. Not in Florida, but let's go up to the north and take a look at some of these temperatures. 19 up in Caribou. Pittsburgh's 24. Grand Rapids is 21. Oshkosh at 27. At least temperatures are back above zero. Up in northern Minnesota, temperatures were below zero just a day ago, so at least they've warmed up a little bit. Up in the northwest, mainly in the 30s and 40s. And finally, one of the warm spots on the map, Tucson at 83 degrees this afternoon. If you're headed to the coast, here's what you can expect. Clouds and light rain and drizzle. Temperatures in the 70s there, warmer than the rest of the valley. Wind already out of the southeast by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, that southeast wind keeps going. UV is moderate. Rip current risk is moderate. The surf temperature at 71 degrees right now. Here are the tides. There are two. Seas are 3 to 5 feet with a moderate chop. The bay temperature at 73. So for tonight, 63 for your low. Mainly in the western half of the valley, closer to the coast, probably not quite that cool, with some drizzle at times. Tomorrow, a little drizzle, a few light showers. We're warmer, 77, not back up to normal yet, but we're getting closer. 77, 84, then 81 on Monday, and then next week, sun comes out. Temperatures back in the upper 80s once again, so our little bout with winter, if you will, just about to wrap up. Next week, we're right back to where we were. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Brand